this is the part of the trail that needs the most attention. Alright, this is my little guy. I use this to clean up my trails. Just kind of, in the spring, I usually just pull stuff up. Nice. Alright. Pull this stuff up. I do this every spring, and I only trim the branches that are pointing into the trail, and that way when it grows, it won't grow in, it'll always keep growing out, and so it keeps getting bushier, but not towards the trail. Every once in a while, just weird stuff shows up. When people are putting stuff around here. I'll drag this off. Anything like this little tree. It's not a lot right now, but in a couple months, these will be a lot bigger, and they'll be poking right into the trail. I just cut all this stuff down in spring, and it's a lot easier than doing it in the fall. When you're on your dirt bike, you're actually a lot taller. The branches that you don't think are going to affect you actually do. I just cut off all the little guys. Alright, this is a lot better. I still need to finish this part, but that other section, that made a big difference. That's a fun little spot. Do that one again. That's this little guy. Woo. Woo. Alright, so I still need to trim out this area. But I got the other area, this part, really nice. Then the last part I need to do is this part right here.